song here. He was actually one of them. Anyway, welcome to the show. Today is actually the 24th anniversary of EDSA People Power Revolution! 86 na to, no? So, hindi pa ako pinapanganak niyan. But by this time, college na si Luis. If I'm not mistaken, by this time, may kasama siya sa revolusyon na ganap. Isa siya sa mga nag-abot ng pagkain, sa mga nag-disperse. Nag-disperse din si Luis. Oh, gano'n na po sa katanda, okay? Anyway, okay, for those of you who are clueless, okay, first of all, kung kayo ay clueless dyan, magbago kayo ng paaralan, kasi obviously wala silang tinutulong tama, okay? But, democracy was restored, and we are now free to choose. That is the purpose of the People Power Revolution. Kung hindi naganap yun, lahat tayo nakatali. Lahat tayo hindi makakakilos, and, I just think that democracy, this is something that we should, it's a privilege. It's a privilege for us that we should not take lightly. We should be responsible in making our choices. This is, I think, very timely dahil malapit na magbotohan na dapat umesip-esip na tayo sino ba talaga ang tamang choice. Okay? So, dapat inaalam natin kung dapat malalaman natin, I think ito dapat kasama to sa platform ng mga, hindi yung platform, pero sa mga speech ng mga presidentials. Dapat sinasabi nila, who I am. Ang galing ko ba? Napasa ko, ang galing ko. Ang galing ko. Look at my shoes. Okay. Anyway, here's who I am. My Nick Jonas, which stays at number 10. It's time to promote Nick's Mag. Yes, excuse me. What? Where's the Nick's Mag? We don't have it. Okay, but which reminds me, ay naku, hindi, papatay na ako ni Clara of Nick's Mag dahil hindi ko pa sinasagutan ang Dear Nikki. At tinext ko siya 2 nights ago tonight. At nakakailang nights na. I'm sorry, you guys. You know, I have problems of my own, okay? Siyempre, unahin yung sarili ko bago pa kayo. I'm just kidding. I'll answer them. Anyway, here's Live Like We're Dying by Chris Allen, which declines to number 9. Welcome back to the Nikki Show! Okay, guys, log on to nickch.com to win tickets to the following events. I actually saw this yesterday at Greenbelt. I think we started there somewhere. But anyway, Philippine International Jazz and Arts Festival tomorrow at Rockwell. SP Island Manila 2010 Showcase March 6th at the CICC Plenary Hall. Michael McDonald and Boaz Caggs live in Manila. March 9 at the Araneta Coliseum. Philippine International Pyro Musical Competition every Sunday at Mall of Asia. By the way, you guys, just a friendly reminder, you have a few days left to vote for MMA 2010. Konti na lang, guys. So get texting. Be busy, okay? Anyway, this next artist is nominated for his video One Time. Who's this? Who's this? You know what? He reminds me of Aaron Carter. Sorry, okay, nahumaling ako sa kanya at some point, okay? Nung mga, ano yung song niya, Crazy Little Party Girl, at saka yung, I got a crush on you, tapos ngayon pinapakinggan ko siya sa iPod ko. Yes, you guys, I have it. Ang sinis na voice niya. Okay, anyway. So here's The Baby by Justin Bieber, which moves up to number 8. Backstreet Boys and Shakira on Mix Presents tonight at 9 p.m. In all fairness to Shakira, ang dami niyang in-inspire sa Pilipinas Got Talent. Hindi ko naman sing. Ayun, no? Okay, yung iba bordering on scary. Pero, tapos makaka-Halloween ng oven niya dun eh. Anyway, the Backstreet Boys will be at the Araneta Coliseum on Saturday, February 27. Once again, makes me question, am I not a good enough DJ? Bakit hindi ako pinag-interview sa Backstreet Boys? Alam mo namang nagkaroon kami ng connection ni Howie. Bakit hindi ako? Bakit hindi ako? Diba, guys? Anyway, other acts are also coming soon, like, take note, guys. Paramore, Super Junior, Super Junior, yes, they are gonna be here, you guys, for sure. And Idol finalist Jason Castro. Yeah, I'm not a fan kasi of Idol, but yeah, I'm sure. Who was the one? Sino yung Idol previously. Ah, okay, so it's not Jason Castro. Anyway, here's another American Idol product, right? Here's Adam Lambert, which advances one. Oh, here's Adam Lambert for your entertainment, which advances one place to number 7 today.